Hello, Galaxy. See, there's a discrepancy in terms of timing from the moment I press the button to the moment that I know it's live. So I kind of have to wait like a split second before I do anything. Otherwise, it would cut off halfway. Like you'd hear Galaxy, that would not make any sense. As opposed to saying hello, Galaxy, after waiting a few seconds before things start. There's got to be a better way of starting a live stream, as it were. I have been so incredibly busy, and I'm not just saying that. It's good to see everyone, by the way, virtually at least. And if you didn't notice, StreamYard's experimenting with putting chat in the video, which is great, although it's really tiny, super tiny. It's also superimposed over some of the recent 3D prints that I did. I've been wrapped up in, as you can imagine, coding. And I'm not just saying that. If I go over to the arcade, I could not, this iPhone, the software on this iPhone, Apple. You know what? This message goes directly out to Tim Apple, because I know you're listening. Fix what you've broken. Don't add new stuff. I know you're going to be chasing the AI thing from so far behind, and that is becoming increasingly painfully obvious. If y'all caught the, expose that Mark Gurman published on Bloomberg about how, why, where, when, who, all that around why Apple is so far behind in AI. I'm supposed to be able to use this as a webcam. That's the reason why I have the iPhone primarily. It's not because of anything else. I use it as a webcam because it's a fantastic webcam. Or it makes for a fantastic webcam when you mount it that way. Actually, you know what? Here's what's going to save the day. Because I realized, well, unless, of course, this works, I was going to try Reincubate Camo, and that's software that you can download for both Mac OS and Windows. I don't think there's another version available, but it's another way of capturing. Let's see here, capturing video from any connected device, including over Wi-Fi. So I may end up trying to use that. I don't know if there's any other option for me, because I wanted to use the webcam, this webcam, because it's a different angle. Because as you watch this particular broadcast, what you see is, instead of me using this webcam, I'd be using another one just off from where you can see from. I could pick up the laptop and show you what I see. It's nothing but a mess. This is what I was going to show you, what I've been busy with as I go through and configure this. This is over on Perillo.com, and if you do not know how to spell my last name by now, don't worry, you fit right in. Because no vocal assistant, no verbal assistant, no whatever assistant knows how to spell my name properly. It's incredible. Like, how many Chris Perillos do you know? It's always Perillo, like P or Parillo, P-A, and I'm like, no, Perillo. And I don't want to start saying, hello, Galaxy, I'm Chris Pirillo, in order to get it to spell correctly. I really don't, because that would just be fucking annoying. Okay, give me a second. I'm going to try. Since Apple doesn't want to work, I'm going to try to pair my iPhone with Camo. If it works, it works. If not, it doesn't. Now I'm going to mount this here. Theoretically, I didn't press the wrong button as you look at my backside. The beautiful backside. And... oh, it worked! Okay, great. So now no, it didn't. Okay. It worked for a second, and then it decided to not work. That's... okay, well, you're just going to have to look at the side of my head for the remainder of the broadcast, because I don't have time to fiddle with Apple's crap and its nonsensical software and garbage. Oh, Apple, how far you've fallen. And I know you'd argue, oh, it's $1 billion company, it's not $1 trillion company. They'll fix it. But they haven't. They haven't fixed it. This is not fixed. It's it's a half-assed solution. It works some of the time, all the time. So yay for continuity camera. Great idea. Horrible implementation. Which, by the way, I think that's Apple's new tagline. Great idea. Horrible implementation. Stem to stern. We'll see if the updated software experience makes it worse or better. My fear with iOS 19, the next version, macOS, etc., is it's going to be lipstick on a pig. They're not going to actually, improve the underpinnings. They're just going to make it look different. And I'm like, no. So what I've been working on as a non-trillionaire in a non-trillion-dollar company is a little web app. And can you hear my chair squeaking? Horrible squeak. This is a new chair. It's already squeaking. That's not me. For whatever it's worth, that's not me who's squeaking. Let's see if I can get Camo to work one more time. Can you cross your fingers? And hey there. How you doing, Cabby? My music. Oh. You're right. I forgot to turn down the music. That's okay. Thank you for the feedback. Derp. This is what happens when you try to do too many things at once. There we go. That should be much better. Of course, I'm still going to be loud. But thank you. We're going to try, and again, keep your fingers crossed, to flip to... Yes! It worked! Okay, frame rate's a little bad, but that's okay. So am I. I'm a little bad. I'm also a little squeaky. So head over to Pirillo.com and play the arcade. You can just jump into the arcade. So if you go to, the main page on Pirillo.com, oh, look, it's me. Hey, who am I helping? All this stuff. You can take a look at the playbook section, but I'm going to be reworking this over the next day. I hope to get to this tomorrow to basically unlock, make it so that y'all could buy my playbooks. But I haven't started to do that yet. That I think I need a day for. I've got the hire pop-up that I also need to adjust on this homepage. The link to Discord, play. Go to the play button, and that'll jump you over to my arcade. So this is... I've got 3 other files ready to kind of be integrated, but what I did ideate in terms of vibe coding was the textulator. And this needs to be, I feel it needs a design boost. But with this, you can, I got to be careful what I have on my clipboard. I don't know what I have on my clipboard. I've got a couple things. Let's see here. Okay. We'll just take that from the email. There's some text. And then what you could do with the text is, translate it to binary, right? I'm sorry, that's binary to text, not text to binary. There is a text to binary, though, down the line. Convert to lowercase, kebab case, camel case, Yoda speak, convert to uppercase, title, count the number of paragraphs. All these things that you could, run with the same text. So this is a tool that I created using Google Gemini. And so what I need to do is I need to update this because I feel like I need a better design. But what's interesting is even though I wasn't really promoting this the other day, people were landing on it somehow, and I don't know how, but they were using it, which is strange to me. But either way, the textulator is up and online. It's there. Of course, I mentioned this, I think, last week, the Pirillo 95. Did I show this last week? I don't know. I just talked about it in a short and a TikTok and all that stuff. It is a working version of what is effectively a Windows 95 desktop. And it's even got sounds, and you can mute if you want. 75 little apps that should work. If you right click the desktop, you can go to follow Chris Pirillo, host, or meet Chris Pirillo, et cetera, et cetera. But yeah, this was all vibe coded, if you will, using Google Gemini. This Pirillo 95. So take a look at that. And then the puzzle thing, I did finally. This was the thing from last week. I did finally update it. It's looking a lot better than it did before, especially on the desktop and on mobile too. But this is the one we worked on last week. And then what's the new one I added? Textulator is the one I added. Okay, so the 3 new ones, even though I've got to go back and I'm going to change a few things in these existing documents, I've learned a new prompt for both SEO and design that I'm going to work through. But hang on, did the Discord announcement go out? Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Great. Okay. So let me make sure everybody knows we're live with. What am I doing? I'm vibe coding. AI web app development. I guess I have to type it out manually because for some reason Discord does not let me actually use my keyboard shortcuts. So let me tag everybody who's here. I don't want to tag everybody, but I'll just tag everybody who is here. Give them the link to one of the live streams. So anyway, play around with it. Play around with the arcade. Here's what I've done over the past day or so that haven't been uploaded. And hey, Willie, good to see you. Here's one. Neon Cycles. Now, this is something that I've got to iterate a little more. I'm not happy with what it is yet, but I've got a few bits of feedback that I want to incorporate. It's basically Tron Light Cycles on this big grid. And I don't know if this one is still the one with the bug. Oh, let's find out. Because it was crashing. The pink line was crashing into me, but not dying. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to add 2 other CPU characters to the grid, making sure it's mobile friendly. Oh crap, that was a bad idea. Oh no. Anyway, so that's one that we're going to work on tonight. I also did an updated version of, if you remember Funicode, Unicode. So if I type in like Bilbo Baggins, right? And then down below, these are apps that I'm going to be incorporating into the arcade tonight. So you'll be able to use them and play them. But you can go through and let me see here. Let me increase the font size here. There you go. So you can see, oh, sorry, because I've got it, the way I've got the text field up top, it's sticky. But anyway, see how it's like formatted in these, fonts that are Unicode characters, like circled or circumflex above, Comet Trail, Coptic, Cyrillic, digital display, all this stuff. So you can basically transmogrify any text. Look at that. Fraktur is awesome. It's like Gothic, hearts in between, all this. Including, that's the matrix code there. But anyway, so you can scroll all the way down through the list and you can copy all the transformed text to the clipboard. So we're going to be uploading Funicode. Let me check the page source here. Okay, so it's got the SEO in there. It's got my Google Analytics. I think we're ready to do Funicode. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do a screen grab. Boop. Because I gotta do a screen grab for uploading the actual file, so y'all can play with Funicode. I'm happy enough with it. It's nothing here is broken. And then the third one that I started working on today, this is more of a fun little thing. It's a JavaScript library that does all sorts of wacky 3D stuff, and then you can go in here and you can increase or decrease things, and go extreme here. Randomize the colors, the shapes, the motion. Let's minimize the shapes. There you go. And then as you move your mouse around, it's just a fun little thing, and the stars move in a parallax way. Randomize the colors. It's fun. Stupid fun, right? So this is called, I don't know, I need a better name for this, but it is also, I think, that's an image. I believe this has also been SEO'd. Shape Matrix. And I have to update the code on it. JavaScript randomized shape. What do we call this thing? I need a good name for this. So what I'm going to do first is go into Gemini and say, I need a better name for this. So it's going to run an analysis, see what it is, and then come back with a name. And then I'm going to incorporate it. Let me make sure that I've got the Google in there. The Google is in there. And I need to also take a screen grab. Minimize the amount of shapes, add max weight, approach. You can even randomize the shapes, randomize the motion. Hang on. Trying to get where I want thicker weight than that. More like really thick, but I guess that's about as good as it's gonna get. Okay, give me a second. Let me take a screen grab here. Something that's compelling. Okay, so I've got that done. What do we call it? Nebula Weaver, Starscape Sculptor, Astrogrowth Canvas, Kinetic Cosmos. Oh, I like that. Let's go with Kinetic Cosmos. Okay, so that's going to be the name of it. And it only really needs to be updated in the top. Kinetic Cosmos. And link is going to be at, we'll call it Kinetic Cosmos.html. As long as I spelled it right. I have to update 13 different things here for SEO reasons. Need the image, so it's going to be at images Kinetic Cosmos .png. Site name Chris Pirillo's Arcade. That's it. Twitter site Chris Pirillo. Now I do the Twitter card. I'd edit it in line, but you wouldn't be able to see it. Images, Kinetic Cosmos.png. Jeez and crackers. Do I need to change anything else? No, I don't think I do. Okay, so that we're going to upload into. Oh, by the way, did you see the 404 page? Pirillo.com blep. This is the 404 page. Why are you not at your post? TK404. I think it's funny. I think it's freaking hilarious. Jeff ended up creating that the other day. Oh, thank you, Pentactus Stein. Thank you so much. Of course you want to watch Tron. I do have to work on that light cycle game. We'll get to that. But first I wanted to get through some of the the basic stuff. So now we've got, what is it called? Kinetic Cosmos. .html. Kinetic Cosmos. There we go. And now I got to upload the images. And I also have to edit. So you're going to see it be created on the arcade page in just a second. As soon as I find the code. This is still very manual. The editing of the creative on because it's just very text. I'm not using a CMS for this. Hopefully I'm not making any typos. Oops. .html. Description. What is the description? 3D. Or animation. There we go. How would you describe Kinetic Cosmos? How would you describe that? Fly into the middle of a geometric anomaly and fiddle with sliders to waste a few minutes of your time. There we go. Animation. Let's hit a comma. All right. Theoretically, on the arcade page, we'll get another one for creative here. If I hit refresh, let's do a hard refresh. Uploading. And there it is. Kinetic Cosmos with the screen grab that I got. Perfect. Okay, that's done. Let's see if it launches. Launch. Kinetic Cosmos is online. You can head over there again. Over on the arcade. So now you can play with the Kinetic Cosmos if you are so inclined. The next one we want to incorporate is Funicode. Funicode has been uploaded, but I'm going to upload it again just in case. Wait. I need to make sure the SEO is correct. So this is the Funicode graphic. I got to do. The thing is it's still very old school FTP with doing a lot of this stuff. All right. Now we've got Funicode. I'm going to go in and look. Fancy tech. Yeah, everything looks good. 70 Styles by Chris Pirillo. +80 styles. Funicode. Style, fancy fonts. I don't need my name in there. This is what people are looking for, though. Funicode. Okay, I did update that. I did update that. Oh, does it need to be a full URL? I wonder. Now I kind of wonder. Okay, let me go in. Oops. Let me go in and change what I just did for Kinetic Cosmos to make sure that the image URL is a full URL. Yeah, I think it needs to be. Things that I'm only going to do once because I don't want to have to be updating all this crap all the time. But it's fun to put up there. Oh, it's P5JS. That's what it is. Okay. Kinetic Cosmos. Okay. That's Kinetic. Wait. Okay, now did Kinetic Cosmos change? Okay, so Kinetic Cosmos got updated. Let's see about Funicode. And there's a light mode on Funicode too. Okay, so it's got the Google Tag Manager. Wait. Did I? What I'm doing right now, you can't really see, unfortunately, because I'm doing text editing on the desktop. And what would you? Is it productivity? I think it's product. Is it Funicode productivity, or is it creative? Well, you're changing text, so it's kind of wait category. Shoot. Is it productive? Yeah, it might be. We're going to say it is. You're seeing a live update here. Just editing the HTML. Transmogrify. Did I spell it right? Yes, I did. Transmogrify your text in a variety of outputs, a variety of ways. Perfect for reusing throughout. Perfect for making amazing fonts in social media apps. Okay, there we go. Oops. What would you consider this text? Yes. Okay, so there's that. Let's see if it updated. Now we're going to go back to the arcade. Theoretically, we're going to get a Funicode here. There's Funicode. It launched. Ha! It worked. Okay, great. So now, what you've watched in this broadcast is me launching two new tools, basically. Funicode and Kinetic Cosmos. Kinetic Cosmos created today. Funicode created yesterday. And again, this is all on the arcade page. And then if you press like creative, these are the creative things that you can do. These are the fun things. Productive, right? Creative, games, all. So each thing should have to winnow it down, right? It should have something. Okay, so sorry, I'm not like speaking with full sentences, but I will continue to speak in full sentences. Okay, so that's Funicode and Kinetic Cosmos. Neon Cycles is the thing I want to start kind of working on. Okay, index. Let me close that out. Because the fewer things I have on the desktop, the better I am, right? The Neon Cycles. Okay, so we can close Funicode. You've seen the 404 error. Or even the 404 error is kind of weird. It says it's background missing. I don't like that. So I can actually go in and change it. This is the 404 page was created today. Kind of funny. Background image URL. Wait a second. Does that work better? Yeah, it's so much better. Okay, there we go. I didn't like the placeholder that was there. I've changed that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, so Gemini gave me that. I'm going to start a new chat because I'm going to try Neon Cycles all over again. Okay, we want to... Just a second. I've got to give it a prompt. Because I don't think it's SEO'd. Oh, it is SEO'd. Okay. Never mind. Never mind. It doesn't have my Google Analytics in there. And that's an important thing. Because if I don't have my Google Analytics, then I don't know what, when people are watching. Add this to the end of the HTML document. Okay. We need to add a total of 3 CPU players, each with a different color trail. If we have the option to make the character position a different color, that would help us track where everyone is. The first, hang on, what else do we need to do? Okay, this is Neon Cycles. Don't touch anything that glows. Just start getting, whoa! I want to see if it's, okay, he's still, ooh, is he gonna get cut off? Oh, dude. I have a chance. No. He escaped. Ah. I could do this all. Could do it all day. CPU wins. Let's make that. Let's make the Chris Pirillo in the corner a bit more visible. Only show Chris Pirillo in the we have to figure out where else to display where I kind of have to move it. Let's put Chris Pirillo underneath Neon Cycles in the start game over screens. And I also have to copy and paste from the clipboard. Follow Chris, hire Chris. Play with Chris, connect with Chris, chat with Chris. Clicking it opens a menu of, there we go. Add this to the end of the HTML document. I'd make a sound. Can we add a non-annoying sound? Nah, there's no way of doing sounds. Is there a way to... I got to be careful what I add, because whatever I add, it's going to... forevermore will it be a part of what it is that we're doing. So... let's see here. I want to change that. Change this to... fight for the user, like Chris Pirillo. Okay, there we go. That's what I want. Okay. That'd be great. Okay. Clicking Chris Pirillo opens a menu of, let's remove the Chris Pirillo in the lower right corner. Change. There we go. Okay. There. I feel better about that. Start game. I'll have 4. Okay. Maybe I should say make a sound. Make a sound when someone crashes into a. Make a sound when someone crashes. All right, let's try that. I feel it's a solid round of updates. We're going to see our thinking. Now, while it's doing that, lime, orange, and red. Ooh, this is going to be fun. Okay, so there's the arcade page. There's the main page. I can close that. Next thing I want to do is the Pirillo.com. I want to SEO that because this is important. View edits. Well, let's just download it. Open up another Gemini and give it a prompt. These prompts I think I put in I believe do not change the content or design of the page. Okay, there we go. SEO. Let's try it. It's going to work on SEOing the main Pirillo page. I'm also going to have it do arcade too. But let's do one thing at a time. Oh. Sometimes I hate like that they do this, and I'm like, I need it. I want to actually open it. I needed to open it in Canvas. That was the problem. Okay. And see, this did it too. It did it too. Unbelievable. It did the same damn thing. Okay. It's okay. Okay, I can deal with this. I swear I can. We can do this. Okay, so we got the index going. We got Neon Cycles getting edited. Can I add like one more task? I kind of want to try a prompt in Stitch. Oh my God, this is so cool. So this is a new service from Google called Stitch. And you give it like what you're trying to do, and it creates a design for you that, you know, you can basically use as an inspiration. So we're going to say a web app. I mean standard mode. Let's go experimental. It's crazy. They just rolled this out. It's called Stitch. Stitch.withgoogle.com. So I want to do like an ASCII art kind of tool that I think would be fun. Is it done? Yeah, let's go. Let's open it in Canvas. What did it fix? Fight. Oh, that's the game. Okay. Is this done? This isn't even done yet. It's a big ass page, let me tell you. I am gonna have to change a few few things. Immersive Black, Neon Cycles, HTML5 arcade game. So that must be SEO. Tron-inspired light cycle game. There's the link mostly. So am I gonna have to go with a dash? I don't know if I want to do that. Come on. You can't, once it's moving, it's not going to do anything. But I want to see if how well it handles like what it is that I want to do. This doesn't actually code it. It just designs it. Oh, that's wild. Look at that. Interactive ASCII art. Control zoom, character size, animation style, randomize effects. Okay, that's a web page. That's not bad. We're gonna try my framework here. I'll come back to that in a second. Let me first copy this. That's the framework, and Apple Lib on Arcade. This is what we are building. The app, create a web app that allows the user to upload. Wait, let's open Canvas. I'm on Pro. I am on Pro. Creating the app recreates the image in color to ask you. That allows the user to first upload an image. The main page, before the image is uploaded, the user should feel like they're going to be doing something fun with ASCII art, perhaps a matrix style animated background with all sorts of glitching characters would be inviting behind the upload prompt. Okay, so here we go. We're going to ideate an ASCII art thing. Here we go. We're doing 3 things at once. We're multitasking. Okay, Perillo.com is done. Let's try to... Why didn't you... I wish it would automatically pop any HTML into Canvas, personally. But so be it. Jedi. Let's make sure, open with... Okay. It's definitely SEO'd. My index. Oh my God, I've got like 3 things. Okay, here we go. Rel Canonical. Oh my God, example.com is not it. It's Perillo.com. This is where it puts it? Really? Fight for the user, Chris Perillo. Start game. Do. I didn't hear a sound. Didn't I say make a sound? Oh. Oh man. Ah! I want to see if another one crashes. Okay. These CPUs are good. Okay, he's trapped. Green is trapped. See, we're just circling the drain. Okay. Oh, is he? He's not trapped. He's gonna escape. He found a trapped. Okay, purple's out. Green. I think I can. Oh crap! This is a fun one. This is gonna be good. Oh, this is gonna be good. Okay. The Chris Pirillo menu just opens downward over the knot from the link itself. Perhaps more space between neon cycles and the start game container. Okay, I'm just gonna die. Start game over container. I didn't hear. You didn't hear a sound effect, did you? I didn't hear a sound effect. Neon cycle, CPU wins. What else could we add here? What else could be added? Oh, green's gone. Boop. Ooh. CPU 1 wins. All right. What's another thing we need to do? Trying to make the player token a little brighter to indicate the difference between it and the trail that it made. This might be pretty much. This may be pretty much done. Doesn't have to be that fancy. Ugh. I don't want to make it too complex. Don't want to overthink it. And the sound wasn't working yet either. But okay, so that's going now. Is this Pirillo.com? That is. This is gonna be Fave icon. Delete that. Pirillo.com, Chris Pirillo, OG image. Here we go. All this SEO crap. This is going on to the Pirillo.com. Content. Oh my Jesus. Oh my goodness. Oh my damn. Chris Pirillo. JPEG. Okay. Did mine, where's Mozilla? Wait, let's make sure it's fine. Yeah, it should be okay. Oh my God, no. What happened to the... How can I... Let's do this. So does everything look okay? That looks fine. That looks fine. That looks fine. Looks fine. That looks fine. Why is that not going? FAQ. Let us change FAQ. What the fuck? No, that wasn't it. Okie dokie. It did screw with my thing here. Section, header. Okay, so let's go back. There we go. Okay, clean that up. Oh man, you got to double check. You got to triple check this shit. Because sometimes it screws with code that you did not want it to screw with. Chris's insights, hire Chris. Okay, there we go. That's what I was afraid. I was afraid of it screwing up what I had, right? This is fine. Corilla.com. Wait, where is it? Oh, that's where it is. Okay, G. Images. Come on, there we go. What the f... There it is. Okay. What the heck? This is just weird. What the f... Okay. Try it again. That's on the it's under images. Oh. Do that. What? But that's where it's at. Chris Perlow. It's a JPEG, isn't it? Images is it Chris Perlow? Not JPEG. Yeah. That's weird. ASCII art. Oh my god, I can't even read that. Ah, that's so wild. Look at that. I made it. Brightness cutoff. Matrix green, sepia tone, grayscale, blocks. That's pretty wild. Look at that. That's pretty wild. You can like move it around and stuff. Okay, that's pretty cool. We can work with this. Animation speed. Let's do full color again. That's pretty cool. Okay, I feel we can work with that. It needs the design. The top design is a little crappy, but that's kind of an interesting start. I like the detail. You can go full screen with it. That's nice too. Look at that. That is pretty wild, dude. You gotta admit, that is pretty cool. Okay, back to my problem. back to the problem I've been having. Where the F is the image? JPG. JPG. Oh, there we go. I spelled all that right. Okay, hang on. Where? This is where I have to inspect it. Here. Oh, placehold. Oh, that's why. JPG. The placeholder image was there. Placehold. Okay. What the f- Okay. This is a little frustrating. There we go. Still there. I genuinely was not expecting to have this problem today. There we go. Oh my goodness. Damn, dude. Code can be fun. If you miss one line, Jedi loves my hair. I wouldn't worry about it. What we're making tonight, well, if you go over to the arcade, link here is, here, let me paste the link in. There's the arcade. You can play some of the things that we've developed, and tonight we're going to try iterating this new image. Yeah. Can I download that? Nope, sit more like this. Definitely clean it up. Make it seamless. Background of the main page where before you upload an image should have a matrix like animated background with ASCII characters following. What is it called? What is it? Annihilator? No, let's call it something else too. Give more options to play with when the actual image is loaded and lay out those options in a much more cohesive manner. So here we go. It's not bad, but keep extending the character sets, color modes, and sliders. The options to reset, regenerate, new image, full screen are great, but should appear like buttons to press. Oh, you can't even, if they even work. Did they even work? Let's find out. Hey, Shane, what's going on? I've been vibe coding here. Oops. If you go over to, have you looked at the arcade yet? Where is it? Where'd they go? Dude, you saw it. There it is. I couldn't see it at first. It was a little glitchy, wasn't it? Yeah, because image. But where is it? I can't even see it. Is it loaded? There it is. Make sure that the loaded image is in the preview area. Allow the user to export a high resolution PNG image of their current settings. The image with its current settings in the output. Clean. I wonder, can we do that? If that can be done without calling external tools. Okay. I'm going to iterate. What is this? Is that the Pirillo.com? It is. Okay, great. That's Pirillo.com SEO. Now back to Neon Cycles. Wait, did that not go? Hang on. No. The Chris Pirillo menu isn't opening seamlessly. Can we try it? I don't want that section to change shape. Section/container, the menu would display over it. Okay, there's plenty of space there now. I still can't tell where every particular player is on the grid easily. Okay, iterating there. Iterating here. What's the next thing I need to do? Okay, so I did Pirillo SEO. We're working on Neon Cycles. We've got a redesign going. Hey, Eclipse Empire. Have you been following along the stuff that I've been trying to do, or I have been doing? It's been a lot of fun. I mean, my creative juices are flowing with Google Gemini. I mean, like you would not believe. Like you would not believe. Okay, so there, I want to SEO arcade now. This one's going to be a little trickier. Google Gemini. Oh, Gemini. Oops. Got Gemini window open. I've got like multiple windows. I need another monitor. That's what I need. SEO. Here we go. This is for the arcade page. Do not change the actual code or design, content or design of the page. Okay, we're doing some SEO. This will live on here we go. We're gonna rework the arcade. We're taking it bit by bit, step by step. Oh, dude, Google's schooling everybody. I still can't believe what I saw. I'm just like, it was actually, believe it or not, I was excited for the Google event today. Like, really excited. There we go. Ask Pixel Glitch. Ooh, I like that. Pixel Glitch? Cool. That's a cool name. Oh, that's a picture of my girlfriend. There we go. Oh my god. Yeah, this is great, but control, I can't see the red. Can I create export ping? Does that work? It did. It did. Oh my god, it freaking worked. It freaking worked. The export ping actually freaking worked. Hang on. If I export the ping, does it take just what's in the preview? Okay, so when you export the PNG, don't just take what's in the preview area, but the entire full image, even if it's out of view. Okay, regenerate. Brightness cutoff. Can't, it's like, why can't I see the top of the design of the controls area needs to be redone entirely. It's incomprehensible and not styled very well at all. Okay, character set, ultra detailed, blocky. It's like ANSI art. Look at that. Look at that. Glitch intensity. Allow the user to turn off the glitches entirely. 0 doesn't do that. Oh, scan line. Look, you can introduce scan lines. Color palette. Inverted. Vintage CGA. Look at that. Oh my god. This is wild. Okay. Okay, more feedback. Just done. Here we go. Chris Pro. Oh no. Okay. Style the menu options for Chris Perillo much better. Right now, they're not styled at all. You could just make them appear as buttons below that container. I still can't tell. Still can't easily tell where the player position, any particular player position is at any given time. I can't believe export PNG actually worked. This is we're creating web apps, dude. We're creating these games. We might. I don't know about animated GIF support. I know there was licensing at one point. Can I copy and paste the request? Which one? Which one, Andrew? What do you want? Which one do you want? I can post it over on Discord. The request to build the web app, even though it really did not, the design, it was not done well at all. Like, I am not impressed with this design. Like, there's something seriously wrong. It just seems so unpolished. The web app. Okay, give me a second. I'll post it over on Discord. Go into best AI prompts. Their message. If you look at the late in the AI prompts on Discord, on my Discord, you'll find it there. I just pasted it in there for you. Okay, here is. Okay, no, it's doing that right now. Yeah, I'm not happy with that at all. Like at all. Ugh. Like it's not good. What the hell? I really don't like the... Didn't like that prompt. There we go. Oh my god, this is, it looks huge. But it's pretty cool. I gotta admit, that's unique. Oh, that didn't work. Okay, that no. Oh, this looks worse. it looks worse. Okay, things look dramatically worse all around. Keep the features, scrap the design, and start all over with the design and layout. This is not. Features are currently great, as long as. But look, this just looks horrible. Is it gonna export? Export PNG is currently not working now either. Okay. Now let's see what it does, because like I don't like any of this. It just looks horrible. Come on. Code for drawing off-screen buffer needs to. Okay, on P. Because I may end up having to like drag and drop it to something else. Oh, is it not? Oh, it's currently coding? No. Did I lose it? But it's currently, it says here's the updated code, and that's not it. Oh, this is not good. When it's stuck like that, sometimes I find it's just as easy to resend the command. As it goes in and recreates this. Stem to stern. We can try another one. Try another version of this. Idea. Welcome to Vibe Coding. now it's coding. Now it's going. There. Wait, what's this? Oh, this is the arcade. Okay, so, oop. And does it have? Okay, so it's got that. All right, here we go. Pixel glitch. Okay, that's not bad. I can't tell what the hell that is, but. It's okay. Okay, this isn't bad. I can't. Where is it? Performance is really bad. I can't tell where to drag and drop the image. The design is too cohesive. I also can't tell what this is or why it's there. Let's do this. The performance is now absolutely horrid. When the image is loaded. I wonder if it's that export feature that's causing it to get crapped up. Okay, how's the... This is seemingly working okay. Everything seems to be okay here. That's the arcade. I gotta go in and check to make sure all the metadata here is fine. Arcade images. Oh, I gotta actually have a preview, don't I? Oh, don't I have that already? I do. I have different. Oh, I don't think that could work. I didn't think that could work in production. Does everything work? There we go, that works well enough. Now we're going to upload new version of Arcade to Arcade. Use source. Yep, now it's SEO'd. Looks great. No crashes. Okay, now back to... What did it update on there? Oh, it doesn't even say what it updated. Interesting. I must have did pretty well. But where are the tags? No tags? Weird. Okay. There we go. Drop image here. I just did! Come on. Export full ping. Show console. I still can't figure out where the hell I'm supposed to drag and drop either. Performance is still pretty bad. I'll fix that error in a second. Color jitter, zoom level. What happened to all the... Oh, there we go. Performance is better from that, but is still pretty bad. I have to do a lot of scrolling to get to all the to see all the controls. The image doesn't seem to bleed to the border of the preview section. I also still can't tell where the hell I'm supposed to drag and drop the image, so you need to make that a larger target, if not full container target. Okay, there we go. This is Neon Cycles. No. Those, yeah, I think Gemini is choking tonight because it hasn't been like this, and it's just like not listening. This is where I have to start repeating myself. Okay, there we go. That looks much better. Ooh, I killed red. I got red. It crashed into him. Okay, Neon Cycles CPU wins. The menu should just pop up over directly under the link, like a typical menu. Not the way you're doing it now, which is horrid implementation. Good deal. Okay. I think that's my annoyance there. Getting back here. Aggressive draw loop optimization. Oh, so it's using P5.js on that. Okay, here we go. Much better. Nope. Image preview. Blocky. Code preview. I still don't know what the hell this icon is, so please get rid of it. Okay. Now I want to try. Exporting. Try to fix this too. Thank you, Bridget. Bridget? Derp. It is me as the Muppet. Sorry, I'm like paying attention to my code here. You can give it multiple choices at once. Sometimes that's not the best idea, though. It's fixing one bug. But I've got a few others that I need it to address. Do you need to do tags here? Okay, now I can't even see the Chris Pirillo menu at all. Come on. Then I think when I'm done with that, I think I'm good with neon cycles. Well, I don't know. There's something here that needs to be more. Could there be some kind of grid animation in the background of the start game screen? I'm probably getting fancy. There we go. Okay, so fix that. It's in the process of fixing this. Yeah, there's so much context lost with a lot of this stuff, which sucks. Is that my... Here we go. Pixel glitch. Get rid of that damn icon! Did you even fix anything? There we go. No, none of this is working. The PNG export doesn't seem to be capturing what it is that I see. Just some elements from the produced image. Okay. See, if you give it screen grabs, sometimes it gives an idea like, oh, I need to do X. Oh, I need to do Y. I'm also going to see if I can float these options. What the... No. See, you can always undo, which I just did because I'm like, that last one did not work. All right, here we go. This one's gonna be. I love it when it says this is gonna be a big overhaul. Oh my god, great. Okay, so I did the arcade. I did that. I'm gonna do the Perillo 95. I'm a little worried about. That one I'm really worried about the SEO for this one because I don't want to mess with the code. I'm a little nervous. Would it be in the header? Hang on. Here's what I'm gonna do. What do I need to do to SEO this in the head section, tags, etc.? I gotta open my. Where's my other window? Oh, there it is. I moved it around. I have like an SEO thing. Things that I just copy and paste from Google. If it does fix it, without breaking it, I'll be impressed. I don't need Google. Is it done? Okay, it's done now-ish. Perform. Oops. Okay. Oh no, god dang it. I can't see anything. I just see the grid. So I'm gonna have to do this. I'm gonna have to revert, code, share, copy. Shoot. Where is Fraggle? Okay. that? Neon cycles. You know, I'm copying the code out because this is where shit could go sideways. I've learned enough to tell you. Okay, neon cycles. Now, going back to this one, all I see is a dim grid and nothing else. Okay, there's that. It's really working this. Did it do the whole thing? This is the Windows 95 dock. It's still producing the Windows 95 dock. That's crazy. It's a big file. The Pirillo 95, huge file. There we go. Upload image. That looks fine. Control-Alt, create. Great. Export the ping. Where are all the characters? The menus are the option menus could still be smaller, and the drop down menus could be styled substantially better. Moreover, the generate, reset, etc. don't look like buttons. Right. Giving it feedback here. All right, I gave it visual feedback. Listen, motherfucker. All right, there we go. Is that it? Copy to the clipboard. Trying Pirillo 95 on the desktop. Yeah, see, it's all gone. It got rid of all of them. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. See, I don't trust it. I told it not to screw with it. I told it not to screw with it. And what did it do? Screwed with it. Totally screwed with it. So I'm gonna copy from the header here. And up until the first I wonder style. Go script. Style. Okay, so if I go here. Interaction type. What the fuck? I've got to update 3 different fucking things here. I could use like syntax highlighting in Notepad. which I do not have. Is there an example? As long as I don't screw this up. Oops. Person. Okay, I see that. I think this works. Okay, that works. That work? Yep, that works. That works. That works. That works. Okay, great. I can now re-upload Perillo 95. That has been SEO'd. And it did screw things up, dude. It way screwed things up. Hey, pretty blue eyes. Good to see you. Just doing some vibe coding tonight. This is basically when hey, Chris, what do you do when you're not doing a video? I'm doing this anymore. Okay, here we go. Oh, yeah, it's so much better. I can't. This is just getting worse. Come on. Okay, okay. This is just kind of getting worse. I can see the preview, but it's still not leading to the edge. The drop-down menus are still not styled. Gets bad at times, and the exports aren't working properly, taking a live capture of the current settings, and the menu buttons still don't have a style. And the menu buttons, I'm repeating myself. Take a deep breath. Start over. I'm telling it what to do. I'm saying, hey, you're screwing up. There we go. Perfect. That's what I want. Connect with Chris Perillo. There we go. Start game. Ooh, this is good. Oh, yeah. Neon Cycles is ready. Oh, you better not. Oh, okay, I trapped him. I trapped both. Oh, no, I gotta get over there. Green may be screwed. I gotta get over there before red escapes. Oh, no, is red gonna escape? No, red's gonna escape. He's gonna escape. Oh, you son of a gun. There we go. Okay, I trapped red. When green's gonna spiral too. Okay. When a player crashes, dies, then their line completely disappears. Other lines stay the same. Okay, so code, we're gonna copy that to Neon Cycles because that's kind of working. This is kind of working. CPU win. CPU's win. Oh, red screwed. Ha ha! I screwed red. Okay, there we go. So that does work. Oops. When a player dies, other lines seem to dim. The only thing that should change is that player's line should completely disappear. Okay. Oh. There we go. Oh, red escape, but pink didn't. Oh crap. Okay. I've trapped green. Red's trapped. Green's trapped. Oh, I'm gonna win this one. Oh my god. This is the first one I've won. Yeah. CPU, no. CPU2 did not win. That was exciting. Okay. What happened to it? I did answer you. What? I answered you like 2 or 3 weeks ago when you asked the question. Okay. That's exciting though. I'm happy. We may have 2 more to add to the arcade here tonight, which is thrilling. Yeehaw! Okay. There we go. There we go. I think Neon Cycles will be ready. I'm happy with Neon Cycles after this. This I'm still not sure about. What the hell is going on down here? I'm excited. Oh, Christ. 718. What the hang on. Seems up. I gotta get a print going, don't I? Look at Obi-Wan back here. I guess I can do. second. Get the battle droid staged here. What the hell? Thanks. Head. Body. This is just not gonna work. I don't have time. I don't have any. Okay, Pro 195 is done. Let's export code. Start game. Now I actually have to win again. Purple's dead. Nope. Okay, green I've cut off there. Hey, Bridget. I need to find a Star Wars print to do. Oops. For Maker Deck. Because it's down. Everyone's traveling right now. Ooh, that's cool. There's a battle drone. Ooh, a K2SO duck. That's cool. I'm liking that. You find all sorts of cool stuff over on Maker World. Some weird stuff too. Some stuff not so great. I got that one already. I got those two. Okay. So, K2SO duck. A battle droid duck. A mini Vader. The hell is this? Oh, that's an AI Vader. I don't want that. We'll do a K2SO duck. My girlfriend's on her way over. Get my print going. All right, now back to this pixel glitch. You can always edit that later. It's fine. Nope. Image that's loaded doesn't span the full preview area still. Breathe, rethink these problems because we keep running into them. Come back with viable solutions and alternatives. There we go. All right, Neon Cycles. Still coding. Still developing. Sorry. I love how it says overhaul. Sorry. Okay. What is? Okay, that's done. Neon Cycles. That link works. Start game. I've got to kill I got to kill the red. That's the. There we go. Pink dye. Dang it. Nope. It's still him. Come up with a solution we have not tried. Okay. And sometimes it's just as easy to take the final, the whatever it is, and like drag and drop it into a new window altogether. Just saw this. I just want it to work. That's it. Didn't realize it was so hard. But then again, I say this knowing full well that I couldn't be creating half this crap. What's the resolution on this? 1920. But you're not paying attention. I don't think it's paying attention, but here we go. Trying it again. Oh my God. Nope. Oops. Ping export is not working as expected at all. Redo it. Try something you have not tried to maintain fidelity of the image I see in preview. Preview image isn't being bled to the edge of that container. Still has black border padding inside. Rework that as well. Options area is still requiring too much scrolling. Bring those options more tightly together in a horizontal space. I'm going to try copying this out just because I haven't done that in a while. pixel glitch. Because, just in case. We're going to do this again. We're doing this again. Here we go. Neon. Okay, it doesn't dim. Okay, but now the light cycles aren't neon glowing when they're alive. Oh no, come on. I may have to roll back because I don't think it's going to get this. Red screwed. Red and pink got screwed. Okay, so at least this works. If I can kill green, I can find out. Green, it's just a matter of time before green goes. Because green has basically trapped himself. So this is testing the game logic. Okay, he's definitely he's crashing. Yeah, I talked about it, Pixel. In fact, I'm using Gemini right now. I've been using it all week to vibe code some experiences for the Perillo Arcade, which I assume you've seen by now, right? Thank you. You can play all the games that I'm making. You can play all the apps that I'm making. Right now I'm testing to see. That did not work either. I'm going to have to restart this too, I think. Well, at least we updated a few things. Still trying to get this to work, though. Nah, this is not working. I can't, it's just incomprehensible. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to copy the contents out. I don't like what's happening in either one of them. Because this CPU won on that one, but I don't know if I updated the code for it yet, so I'm going to have to win. So I got Pixel Glitch is definitely set. That works. Okay, now I got to win. Purple and red are going to die. great. Nah, screwed that up. What happened to the glow? Okay, it's cut off. Green's cut off. I just gotta wait for it to spin into nothing. Because it only has limited space. Oh, please do, Canadian. That's the idea, is that it's just like fun to go bloop, 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 bloop. Right now I'm testing to see the game logic works, and then back to figuring out why. Oh, he's screwed. He's screwed. I win. All right, that works. Okay. Okay, the glow is completely gone in these cycle trails. The glow is what makes this neon. Breathe. 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 Think about the problem. Right. That is good news, because this is functional, at least, even though it's not glowing. This I'm going to have to redo, dude, because like I just can't. This is not. Okay. We need to fix a few problems in this HTML web app. The design elements aren't working very well for me in terms of the options that one has for adjusting the image. Moreover, the PNG export feature is not working at all. The preview image does not bleed to the edge of the preview area either. The design isn't. The sliders area design is quite a mess. It's difficult to navigate, too much to see, and could be better laid out, formatted differently. Okay, I'm starting completely new memory, completely. Hey, Holchart, I'm vibe coding. We're doing a couple of games for the arcade here. The arcade over at Perilla.com/arcade. Updated tonight with Kinetic Cosmos and Funicode. Check them out. Yeah, Gemini I've been happiest with, honestly. See, again, giving it, starting over from scratch helps so much sometimes. Like, okay, here's what's wrong. Here's what we're going to do. It's funny how if you keep going with a memory, it'll stop. But like if you do it fresh, there's a chance. I love reading its thoughts too. I just love like, okay, this is interesting. So that's a completely new. Now this one I may have to redo Neon Cycles, even though I did restart it tonight to get it to where I wanted it to be. Start game. Here we go. Neon Cycles. Not enough glow. No, still not nearly enough glow with those cycle trails. They just look like plain colors. Gotta make things glow. We're going to copy the contents of that, copy it out, because that's a good working game. Keep going there, going back here. Yep, going to export everything into this. Here we go. Fixing pixel glitch. Theoretically. No, there's no copyright on the game or synthwave. They're just bloops and bleeps, right? Like over, like, where is it? Launch. But the coolest thing is that you can export the audio, which I think is wild. What? I did respond. I don't know what you were asking though. What would you ask? Yeah, see, that sucks, Pixel. I want it to be true. Oh yeah, Lovable? I would like to, but I'm not enough of a developer. I'm not enough of a developer. And I looked at it, but I'm like, a lot of this is kind of over my head. I'm interested in Google implementing what it's doing. And maybe if I had a little more hand-holding, I would love to, honestly, here's what I'd like to do. I'm just doing this stuff, and I'm probably going to do the same thing on Thursday night, if not tomorrow night, because I'm constantly doing this now. It's so much fun. And I love doing live streams where I'm just kind of coding this stuff or kind of walking through, trying to product manage this stuff. But I would love to sit with somebody or an array of people in these streams and actually ideate something on Lovable. Like, let's build a web app, like a full-on web app, not just like a simple HTML page, right? I don't know how what easy is anymore. Everybody thinks something is easy. My girlfriend is going to be getting here soon. Give me a second. So I don't know. What do you think? Should I be doing this? Should I be streaming every night this stuff? Because that's what I'm doing anyway. All right, here's what. Nope, that did not work. None of this is working. No, that's not working at all. Nope. Did they even do anything? I'm not sure you did anything. I may have to revive this entire thing, quite honestly. Yeah, I agree. Better than empty share streams, but I've been busy. I've got a girlfriend. Several problems, yes. I'm trying to get it to export the ping that's generated. It knows what I'm trying to do, or it's getting what I'm trying to do. If I could be more specific, it'd be better. Yeah, you can make your own music if you want. Knock yourself out. Crap. Do I need to slow that down? Okay, that's done. Where's the neon? Oops. Oops, not that. I need to copy the code. No. Code, share, copy. Gonna have to do the same thing here. Closing you, opening up a new one. We need to make sure the trails made by the players are glowing dramatically like a true neon glow. Very bright, glowing. See attached. There we go. All right, starting this from scratch. The moment I start taking this into another app is when things really get messed up. Like I could take this into another app and it doesn't want to work. I could try. Not Cloudflare. Claude. I can try taking it to Claude. Give me a second, because this is really annoying the hell out of me, because I did this earlier and give me a second. Okay, so we're going to try dragging Pixel Glitch in here. Okay. I have a web app that needs to be better designed and more functional for the elements already here. So debugged, but also redesigned. Okay. Chris returns. All right, Claude. Claude doesn't impress me all that much. Here we go. I can see it's a comprehensive ASCII art generator, great functionality. So it's gonna analyze everything. This is what it takes forever. Claude just like, I just want to get this to the neon. All right, let's see if this works. Where'd it go? Where the fart did it go? This doesn't even work at all. I'm not sure this thing even works at all anymore. Look at this shit. This is where it starts choking. There we go. That's much better in terms of neon glow. Okay, green's gonna get cut off. Red's cut off. Yeah, red's gonna screw itself here. Oh, it's more precise, that's for sure. Yeah, there we go. Red's gone. Red's gone. All right. Oops. Great. And keep increasing the glow. So that one works. So Neon Cycles, I feel, is ready. You left comments everywhere. There's no preview image. The exported nothing. Ugh! Look at this. Ugh! Okay, I've got to continue. So it stops. This is what I don't like about Claude. Claude just stops. It goes and then it stops, which is driving me nuts. I'm like, dude, no, like go all the way. Why do I have to keep hitting continue, continue, continue? I can try Manus. All right, we're gonna try Manus. I've got 300 credits. I've given it a file. Oh, thank you, Mystery Goat. Oh my god. Okay, where is it? I don't. Great, but what happened to the design? Yeah, but what the hell happened to the design? What the hell happened to the design? What the hell happened to the design? All right, here we go. Image upload works. Preview area seems to be half functional. PNG export does not export the style that's currently applied. The options and sliders area is not well designed or laid out. So that I'd appreciate a redo. Okay. Okay. Manus is probably going to burn through credits, though. That's the problem, is Manus burns through credits like you wouldn't believe. And again, here, wait, where's the browser? Manus. Okay. What the fuck? It's possible I could be giving it too much to work on all at once. Okay, there we go. It's not bad. It's a little... Okay, hang on. Okay, this is kind of working now. Zoom level. Crap, I gotta go. Preview area still doesn't seem to be working properly. The aspect ratio is off. There are black bars on either side too. Inside the preview area. Okay, that might have done it. I know. I got a ding dong. So I'm going to continue. Look at this. This is. No, stop. This is Claude. Manus is still working on things. I don't know how many credits I have left though. Manus usually glitches out too. But at least this is more workable than what I had before. Neon Cycles is about done. Okay, there we go. We got some good glowing now. I just need one to die. There we go. 2. There we go. Neon Cycles is done. Okay, we did a Neon Cycles. Let's start the game here. I'm going to upload this, and then we're going to go. Oh, come on. Let us. Is that continued? It's still going. Okay, 1 second. We're going to edit the arcade. We're going to get so you can play the Neon Cycles here. Let's rename that. Neon Cycles. Put that into images. Even though, the HTML, the whatchamacallit, this is not ready yet. Crap. Okay. Arcade Neon Cycles .html. Tron. Tron nostalgia. Okay. I'm trying to get this done. Trello.com arcade, Neon Cycles. Changing all the metadata for the SEO here. Trello arcade, Neon Cycles .html. Okay, there we go. Is that everything? That's everything. Uploading Neon Cycles. Now we have to edit the index. Neon Cycles has been uploaded. You'll be able to play it in the arcade here in a second. Game 1, 2, game 3. This is game 4. Title: Neon Cycles Games. Neon Cycles. Neon Cycles. Do you fight for the user, then upload yourself to the game grid and win? Retro. Okay, so that's right. Is that right? I think we're good. All right. Neon Cycles, you can play it. Play Neon Cycles in the arcade. It's up. I think tomorrow I'll return. I'll do more vibe coding here. I've got to disappear. Play Neon Cycles. Let me know what you think. Today we've uploaded 3 new apps for everybody. Look at this. The arcade grows. I've got a few more things that I need to do yet, but text you later. I want to send through a redesign as well. Oh my God. What the F is it thinking? Like, I just don't like Claude for code at all. Manus is stuck. How are we doing over here? Ooh, what the fuck? You left comments in the code, and the preview area seems to be completely broken altogether. Okay. I'm gonna wrap things up, y'all, and hang on. Let me go back to Manus. What does it say? I did that. It's still gonna go. Oh, implementing user changes. We'll see how it works. You've got new games. What do you think? Should I do this again tomorrow night? Because I'm down. Like, I'll be doing this and working on these web apps and stuff indefinitely. I'll be streaming on Twitch. A lot of the stuff that I've been working on, including getting the playbooks page ready. So if you go over to Parillo.com and then click playbooks, this is currently, there's not much going on here. It's like, this is supposed to be like a landing page, but I actually have to link these products off to like Stripe stuff, payments. And so this needs to be like redone, right? Like, do you want all these things? Here you go. Have them. So I've got to get this, I've got to get it set up. If you're interested in supporting, feel free to subscribe everywhere. You know, becoming a YouTube member, a Twitch subscriber, a Substack subscriber, all across the board. All of it is incredibly appreciated, like you would not believe. And so thank you for supporting in whatever way you can, including tuning in, sharing the news. I'm happy to connect with other people that are just as interested in a lot of stuff that's going on with AI and coding. I'll be doing things. I'll be creating things, and potentially a lot more on a lot more regular basis, because this is just absolutely fascinating. The mere fact. Yeah, again, you can support me in all these ways, but the fact that look at it, it's a joke. Like, Claude is a joke. Like, it's just that why did I even bother? The fact that all of this, everything you see here was generated in AI, all these stupid little web apps generated in AI, and you saw like me going through some of these, like, is just incredible. Probably 6 p.m. Pacific. This is usually a pretty good time for me, and I don't think I have anything going on tomorrow evening at 6. I do not. But anyway, play around, support where you can, when you can, share the word, spread the word. I'm using Gemini almost exclusively. That's Neon Cycles. That's good. I'm closing out the Neon Cycles. It's working well enough. Pixel Glitch is going to be a thorn in my side until I'm able to see. Look at it. The preview area just keeps the actual preview area seems to be getting smaller and smaller. I got to take screenshots. I know Gemini just keeps improving. I mean, granted, it's not doing great here, but anyway, I'll see you on the flip side. I'm going to get the live stream restarted on Twitch with the 3D printer, and happy to do this again. Having people to hang out with, you know, makes it that much more fun. Sharing tips and tricks and ideas. You know, I want to get that. I really want to get the arcade just built out, right? I want people to go there and like, oh man, there's a lot of fun stuff to do. There's a lot of fun things here. So anyway, I think that's it for now. I did a few things that I wanted to do, and even though I didn't do everything that I know I needed to do, I will continue. The work. What is this? That is still broken. My webcam is still broken. That's okay. Enter Studio. Create live stream on Twitch. Oh crap. Behind the scenes. Behind the scenes. What is my current Twitch category? I don't even know. Okay. I'll see you on the flip side. Watch for scheduled stream or any kind of updates here, there, and in between. Thanks for hanging, y'all. Let me know. Give me feedback. Thanks for supporting whatever way you can. Software and game development. Okay, it did. Weird. I mean, it's nice. Don't get me wrong, but like, it's. I was not expecting that in any way, shape, or form. Okay, y'all. See you on the flip side.